Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the SuperEndo ProCut Gutta Percha cutter. In the intricate world of endodontics, where every millimeter counts and precision reigns supreme, the SuperEndo ProCut Gutta Percha cutter emerges as an important tool for root canal treatment. Coming on to the features of SuperEndo ProCut Gutta Percha cutter. Ergonomic design. Its compact design and lightweight ensure easy handling and make it more comfortable for clinical practice. Precision cutting. The Gutta Percha cutter is equipped with a finely keen blade, ensuring exact cutting during the root canal procedure. Consistent heat management. The fingertip control button heats the tip quickly and maintains stability even at a temperature as high as 280 degrees Celsius. Streamlined power efficiency. Powered by two 1.5 volt AA batteries, it has the capability to deliver over 200 cuts before requiring a battery change. Diverse tip selection. The SuperEndo ProCut Gutta Percha cutter boasting 8 distinct tip configurations to accommodate a spectrum of Gutta Percha taper variations. Indications: root canal treatments. Cutting Gutta Percha cones to fit the root canal spaces accurately. Before we delve into the operating instruction, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Operating instructions: place the 1.5 volt AA batteries into the equipment, ensuring proper alignment with the correct polarity. Select the appropriate tips to achieve optimal results. The narrow tips are beneficial to be used in cases where access opening is conservative. The SuperEndo ProCut Gutta Percha cutter is ready for use. Insert the Gutta Percha point into the cavity. The Gutta Percha point to be cut off must be encircled by the loop of the cutting tip. The cutter tip swiftly heats up in less than a second. Employing a smooth and guided motion, the blade effortlessly slides through the material, ensuring meticulous cutting during endodontic procedures. After cutting the Gutta Percha, the cutting tip immediately cools down and the Gutta Percha cutter can be removed from the patient's mouth. Remove the cutting tip from the cutter after use. Inspect the cut. After cutting the Gutta Percha cone, inspect the result to ensure the desired shape and size have been achieved. Precautions: directionality of the cutter's tip. Position the SuperEndo ProCut Gutta Percha cutter tip opposite to the operating base for effective and safe cutting. Bending the tip. Avoid bending the tip of the Gutta Percha cutter as this can compromise its functionality and performance. Do not touch the tips with your hands to prevent potential hazards. Cleaning and maintenance. Tip cleaning. After using the Gutta Percha cutter, clean the tip with a wet alcohol gauze or sterilize it for the next use. This helps remove any residual Gutta Percha material from the tip. Battery replacement. The Gutta Percha cutter operates on replaceable AA batteries. Ensure to replace the batteries when necessary. Tip replacement. Over the time, the tip of the Gutta Percha cutter may become worn or damaged. The tip gets bent and loses its configuration. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment for more informative videos.